Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Sugo with unlimited coins for iOS and Android in 2025. So just go to hexmods.com, find the Sugo right here, go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading the modded version. Now before it downloads, guys, we are going to have to do a verification. So what we need to do is download two apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So as you will see right here, it's going to say, please complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the mod. It's going to be around 4 apps to pick. You press the app, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store, and you just download it. Now, bear in mind, guys, these apps are all going to have their own instructions. So you can see Family Island says reach level 10. TikTok says down to run for 30 seconds. Golf Game says reach level 10. I personally did the Family Island where you have to reach level 10, but anyway, guys, that is how to get the Sugo mod. So be sure to try us out. Super insane, unlimited coins. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So yeah, as you can see right here, I got unlimited coins. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just make sure you complete the verification. I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you might have different apps coming up. That's totally fine. It does not have to be the same apps, but yeah, so down here you can see it says checking completion, so it is actively looking to make sure you did it, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, and it totally works. So yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to be poor anymore. I got tons of coins, as you can see, so I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it's like updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in hacks. It's super wild, and I'm not really interested in being poor.